大家好, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your teacher Savannah, who's here to help you connect to Chinese language and culture. Welcome to the last day of our 7 days to master Chinese pinyin. This is the part 1 because I'm creating 2 sets of practice for you. In the first set of practice, which is this video, we're going to compare some similar pronunciations in Chinese. In our next video, we're going to do some tone combination practice. Alright, let's start from the first pair. 家 家 家 You have 2 seconds to make the decision. Choose the one you hear. Now let's do the comparison. 家 versus 渣 家 versus 渣 Next one. 瘸 瘸 瘸 Let's compare. 锤 versus 瘸 锤 versus 瘸 Next one. 场 场 场 Let's compare. 场 versus 抢 场 versus 抢 The final in the first one is ang. The final in the second one is yang. 书 书 书 Let's compare. 虚 versus 书 虚 versus 书 水 水 水 Let's compare. 水 versus 雪 水 早 早 早 Let's compare. 早 and 找 早 versus 找 This is obviously a comparison between flat tongue and curling tongue. 早 versus 找 Next one. 草 草 草 Let's compare. 草 versus 早 草 versus 早 Next one. 美 美 美 Let's compare. 买 versus 美 买 versus 美 Next one. 月 月 月 Let's compare. 月 versus 夜 月 versus 夜 Next one. 弩 弩 弩 Let's compare. 弩 versus 女 弩 versus 女 Next one. 橘 橘 橘 Let's compare. 竹 versus 橘 竹 versus 橘 记 记 记 Let's compare. 记 versus 字 记 versus 字 略 略 略 Let's compare. 烈 versus 略 烈 versus 略 Next one. 金 金金 Let's compare. 金 versus 真 金 versus 真 Next one. 宿 宿 宿 Let's compare. 宿 versus 手 宿 versus 手 Next one. 捆 捆 捆 Let's compare. 捆 versus 啃 捆 versus 啃 Next one. 少 少 少 Let's compare. 少 versus 小 少 versus 小 Next one. 张 张 张 Let's compare. 张 versus 江 张 versus 江 Next one. 区 区 区 Let's compare. 区 versus 出 区 versus 出 Next one. 郡 郡 郡 Let's compare. 句 versus 郡 句 versus 郡 Okay, next one. 捐 捐 捐 Let's compare. 捐 versus 君 捐 versus 君 Alright, this is all the pairs I want to share with you. I hope you find it helpful. If you do, please give me a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have videos every week to help you learn Chinese the right way. Alright, I'll see you guys in my next video. 再见